We are getting some earnings coming in this afternoon. Shares of Warner Brothers Discovery are on the move. They're lower by about 3.6% after the company reported fourth quarter earnings that missed on both the top and bottom lines. The earnings per share came in at a loss of 86 cents per share. And that is versus the expected loss of about 13 cents a share. Revenue, that also missed. That came in at $11.01 billion versus the $11.23 billion that was anticipated based on some Bloomberg expectations. And then additionally here, they also missed on subscribers. That subscriber number coming in at 96.1 million versus the 96.3 million that was expected here. So a lot to really continue to parse through here, but we just saw the stock reacting here. Investors were really looking for much better, perhaps on the back of some of the strength that we had seen more broadly in consumers that are just looking for a streaming offering on the table that's going to allow them not just access to the content that they want, but at a better price. And more of those better price comparisons and competitors out on the market are doing everything from introducing advertising as a tier to lower the price, or to even just looking at a regional approach to see where they can indeed, for their sake of their balance sheets and their own income and balancing that out, where they can actually make sure that they are sweetening the offer or the deal for a lot of the consumers out there, especially as they're deploying a lot of cash to create this content too.
Yeah, that's right. That loss per share really disappointing, coming in at 86 cents and the street expecting 13 cents. Getting hurt by that ad revenue. Now, I wonder if during the earnings call, you're going to hear more details about the streaming. I mean, the plans for streaming, and the company had pledged before to raise prices, saying that subscriber growth, the days of subscriber growth over profits, that those are over. So the question will be, are they going to raise prices enough that it makes up for some of this ad that's been hurting the ad space? Absolutely
here. And also here, the sales disappointment, the decline in ad revenue, as you mentioned there, that really getting flagged by the street as well here for WBD and after hours earnings for this fourth quarter here, and that being reflected here in shares as well. This has been a big day for some of the announcements that have come forward on that pricing mechanism. Netflix making some waves earlier in the day with regard to how they're adjusting pricing in some regions as well. And then additionally, just seeing come across as well the adjusted EBITDA coming in at about $2.6 billion for Warner Brothers Discovery for the fourth quarter. So that just one additional figure for our viewers to really consume here on the day as we're watching this decline in Warner Brothers Discovery shares right now.